morning, we are looking at 5 useful apps to boost your YouTube channel today. So if your content creation is giving you a hard time, or if your video editing is giving you a hard time, here are 5 apps that I use. Now, these apps have paid plan and they also have free plans. The first app I want to look at is Canva. Now, Canva is my absolute favorite because Canva helps me create beautiful thumbnails, and Canva also helps me write my description sometimes. So before I discovered Capcut, I was using Canva to write my description. Remember, Canva has Canva AI. So Canva AI could help you create your post outline and also the descriptions for your video. Now, the second one I want to speak about is Capcut. Now, Capcut is closely related to Canva for me. In fact, they are kind of similar, but Capcut has some of the best beginner-friendly video editing software that I've ever come across. So I started my journey on YouTube on the 1st of August, and Capcut has made it easy. So with Capcut, I'm able to create short videos every other day. Now, with these short videos, I've been able to grow my subscriber count. So thank you so much, Capcut, for that. Now, on to the third app I want to speak about, the vidIQ app. Guys, it's spelled vidIQ. If you have not downloaded the vidIQ app, you are wrong. Now remember, the vidIQ has a free plan and it also has paid plan. Now with the paid plan, you can get a one-to-one coach who will be coaching you on what to do. With your free plan, you can actually optimize your YouTube videos. Now you can optimize your YouTube videos with trending keywords or high-ranking hashtags. vidIQ helps you score your already written video titles. So with vidIQ, you could go and optimize your post. You can change your title, you can change your hashtags, you can even create a video description. Moving on to the next app. Next one, chat. These are artificial intelligence. Moving on to number 4 and 5. ChatGPT and OpenAI. Now, into your Google browser tab, enter ChatGPT or enter OpenAI. ChatGPT and OpenAI helps me develop my script. So when I have an idea, I write down everything I want to appear in my script. I feed it into ChatGPT or OpenAI, and they help me generate a script. Now I'm able to tweak and move things about to how I want. So guys, these are my top 5 apps that I've been using to scale my YouTube. Which of these ideas resonates with you, or which ones have I missed out? Please leave me a comment below. And if you have enjoyed this video, please like. Don't remember to leave us a comment. Remember to subscribe to our page and turn on your notification so we can win together. Thank you so much for joining me today, and see you next time.